diamond jewelry, it's just so important to make sure that you judge the right pieces. Like, you want the diamonds to look timeless, and at the same time you want them to look contemporary.
Diamonds. My personal favorite, diamonds. I prefer diamonds more than gold.
Actually, again, it's you're trying to compare apple with oranges. Diamonds have its own place and gold has its own place. And it's a personal choice for all individuals. But again, for different occasions, I think it's different kind of jewelry that really goes well. And since it is for the adornment, it depends on what exactly are you, what kind of occasion that you have it in mind, because jewelry is normally related to certain occasion. So if it's a traditional kind of occasion in the family or any other event that you're going for, then perhaps it's gold. And if it's something, evening wear or a cocktail party circuit you're going to, then perhaps it's diamonds.
I'm sure that this is a cliche term and I know what you're going to, I bet you know what I'm going to say, which is diamonds are a girl's best friend. I don't know of any girls that don't like diamonds, so it was beautiful to see those pieces, especially because some of them are very extravagant, and you had beautiful uncut diamonds which were very big in size, and then you had very intricate ones with little diamonds coming together to form a great design. So it was, yeah, I liked the display that they had.
I'm always in between. Do I want something that looks out of the ordinary, or I want something that would just lift my outfit a little bit, which would help me sort of blend in with the crowd and yet stand apart. So it's a very demanding buy when people actually go and buy a piece of diamond jewelry, or it's a very demanding choice that a consumer has to have.
The diamond jewelry category of the year, one of my favorite pieces, and yes, I think the jury has given it a number 2, is these beautiful earrings with these beautiful lilac-y diamonds, in a flower and a diamond below, a diamond kind of a drop below. Very beautiful, can be worn with Western clothes, with Indian, with a sari, very versatile. So definitely a winner from Mahesh Notandas for me, definitely.
And the ones which particularly I liked was the earring by Mahesh Notandas. It had rubies combined with diamond. Then there was a bracelet by A.S. Motiwala. I found it very, very wearable, and it's like a statement piece. If you wear that, you don't need to wear anything else. The other one which I really liked was by Kashi Jewelers. It's a ring. It's a cocktail ring, but the main stone is shaped like a diamond. That also is very, very eye-catching. Diamond bangles which I really liked was by Popli Diamond and Gold Plaza, which is very unique in the sense it is inspired by the Mughal era. So it had that a little bit of history attached to it, and the Mughal elements to it.
When you say diamond jewelry, you're like, okay, why are you even explaining it? All jewelry is predominantly diamond. How do you make something that is so common still look so different? And you have the choice of either setting it in earrings or a necklace or a ring. What interests me was this ring that I saw, which was by Kashi Jewelers. It's like, this little giant looking diamond, which was set with small diamonds, and it represented, according to them, it was like the representation of Lord Shiva, and that's why you had like a snake that was made around this big diamond to actually protect the diamond in itself. So see, now a ring like that would make such a big statement, and if I have my eyes set on a piece of jewelry, it would be this one, and it really set itself apart from the other nominees in the category. And it's jewelry like this that gets other jewelers thinking, that gets the consumer wanting to wear things that are different and more of a style statement. And it's amazing when a metal that you see so often can be used in so many different ways.
My favorite from the ring, which I thought was very unique, and I would wear that myself, and again it's a statement ring, something that would look beautiful even with a sari or an evening gown, It's the ring by Kashi Jewelers. So I thought that was a lovely piece. And then there's the bracelet, which had, I'm not sure which color gemstone in it, but again, very, very elegant, by Motiwala Jewelers. And another ring was by Popley, which had a very interesting design. I thought that was very innovative. And so I've got the ring and I've got the earrings. Yes, the earrings that I liked. The earrings that I liked were from Talwar Sons, and they sort of dangling earrings. They're not the typical diamond chandeliers. They had a contemporary design going on, which is why I put them pretty high on my list.
Okay, the one which I really liked the most was a piece by A.S. Motiwala. And this was a bracelet which is studded with diamonds, but on pink and white gold. What really appealed to me, one was the flexibility, because most of the times when you actually create jewelry, the metal is the stiff part of it, and which is what you need to make it flexible enough so that a woman, when she wears it, it needs to be flexible. And I think that requires a fantastic craftsmanship. And that was clearly visible because I did get the touch and feel and sort of tried it on myself. And I thought that was really interesting because it gave the flexibility for any woman to wear it. And the pink gold actually added another dimension to it. So that's what appealed to me on this piece. Another piece which I actually loved was Kashi Jewelers' ring. This was again interesting because as a child, most of us have heard stories about Paras money and how this Paras money was actually protected by snakes. And I think that's what this entire concept of this story is very well depicted in this particular piece. It's a huge diamond that they have created out of these small little diamonds, and then there are two other snakes actually protecting that diamond. So they have brought that story alive, and it takes you back to those times when, as a child you have listened to that story, but it was brought alive by this particular piece. The creativity, the craftsmanship, the finish of the jewelry, it was something absolutely outstanding, and that was stunning, and that's why I loved it.